everyone, welcome to Monday.com. Today, I'll show you how to successfully manage your construction project in one central place. In this video, you will learn how to track your entire project in a glance, manage each phase of your project, and collaborate successfully while meeting all of your deadlines. Let's dig in. Here is our project overview board. This board will help you see the big picture of your construction project and gain insights instantly. Here you'll be able to see whether a project is done or in construction. Everything is super customizable. You can add and change columns to fit your exact needs. With our first board configured, you'll need a way to manage all the details. This is where our next board comes into play. Here, each group represents a phase of the construction project. Work as a team by assigning ownership and quickly identify your upcoming deadlines with the deadline mode. Last, but certainly not least, you can connect your two boards together with the link to item and mirror columns. Let's go back to our overview board. Here, we've connected each project details from our details board. Now we'll see everything we need in one place without switching boards. Not bad, right? Thanks to this simple yet powerful workflow, you'll be well equipped to manage all of your construction projects with Monday.com.